Y'all, it is supposed to be super nice today, so let's go fishing and see if we can actually catch something. Okay, we are back. Yay! So pretty. Just got here and there's people here like down the way. Kind of nervous. It's men. Makes me nervous. I think I'm gonna start with corn. For my first try. Okay, so the only reason I'm nervous is because I'm pretty sure they're in like a white van. White vans make me nervous. Not trying to be judgmental or prejudiced against white vans, but they're terrifying. Okay. Alright, let's get this out there and see what happens. It's a little muddy, so I don't know if I'll be putting my stuff out, but I see some activity, so hopefully that means we'll catch something. If not, I don't know how long I'm gonna be here, but it's so nice out. So, I still haven't caught anything. I don't think I will. I've never caught anything out here. But everybody that I pass, they've either caught something or, you know, in their stay they've caught something. So like this one time I was here and this guy was like, literally, I was in my kayak and he was right below me. And he caught a bass, I don't know how many crappie, a catfish, and I'm sitting there like, what the hell? You know, what do I do? What do I do different? Or what the heck? Yeah. So I don't know what everybody be doing. I did see a lemonade wrapper, and I've seen some hacks about this too, like putting something with like wrapping it in this. I probably should take this hat off. It makes me look gross. Oh my god. Nope. Or putting that back on. There's fish jumping around all around my stuff. Like massive fish. And I know it's fish and not turtle because I can see them. They're jumping all around my stuff, but having nothing to do with it. Frustrating. People say it's supposed to be relaxing. Golf is way more relaxing. I should have went and hit balls today. Busted some balls instead of slapping the water. I don't know. My hip. I should have went to the gas station and got me some alcohol. That's like the only thing that makes this bearable is alcohol. I wanna catch some fish. I mean, I'm just not good at this. I mean, how can you be good at this? You can't. You just do it. And the fish decide if you're good or not. Like, what? So beautiful. Okay, I'm going home because I didn't catch anything. There's a lot of people coming, so let's go home. Yeah, I'm gonna get some videos. The worst part about summer is cow and chicken shit. You stand beside the ocean. Whenever one door closes, I hope one more opens. I've hated you, I was breaking. I've been wrong, I've been down to the bottom of every bottle. Haven't found yet. Give me a higher love. Yeah, and we're almost home. So call me the gangster of love. Yeah. Oh God. Okay, that was 100% uneventful. Didn't catch anything. Maybe I'll try baiting tomorrow.